Today we are going to be making a storyboard. And a storyboard is where you can choose your own scenes to make your own story. The story that I chose today is about a girl that goes on a camping trip. So first I went to my scenes, and on Storyboard That they give you different scenes that you can pick from. Up here are your options: town, entertainment, home, school, athletics, transportation, work, homes, historical, U.S. history. I chose country and rustic. These are scenes that are great for camping. I thought of the camping trip because my family and I are going on a camping trip. So the three pictures that I chose were a bridge over a river in the woods, a cabin next to a lake with a dock, and then a campfire with 2 logs to sit on. After you choose your scenes, you can choose characters. The character that I chose from the options up above are kids. I picked a young girl to be my main character. Once you choose your character, you can click on it and change the hair, skin, eyes, shirt, hair tie, pants, and shoes. You can also edit their poses. So in this pose, I have the girl standing. Once you choose which pose you would like, you can change how her legs, arms, expression, and head are. You can also choose how they are feeling, or if they're walking, sitting, or sleeping. In the first 2 scenes of my story, I have the young girl standing on the bridge and next to her cabin. The final scene has her ending her day sitting by the campfire, and here I changed that she is sitting on the log next to the campfire. In this story, I included under the worksheets different lines to choose from. I chose the spaced line where I can type a sentence. I typed 1 sentence in each scene. The first scene, I wrote, "The girl was walking to her cabin." So in each scene, you'll tell me 1 sentence about your scene. The girl was walking to her cabin in the first scene of the story. In the second scene, I wrote, "The cabin is by a lake." The final scene, I wrote, "The girl sat by the campfire." I made sure that each sentence included a capital letter, and each sentence had a period at the end. Once you're finished, you can also add different textables. These would be different speech bubbles or signs. So you could add different details to each scene that you write. And then once you are finished, you'll hit upload. And you can upload images. And once you are finished, at the bottom, you can change the layout, add or delete cells. These would be the scenes. I have 3 cells in my story. And then once you're finished, you would hit save and exit. So you each can tell us a story about something you did over the summer.